Welcome to Lathe Safety 101. Today we will be learning how to safely use the lathe. The lathe is used to shape wood into a cylindrical shape. Common uses of the lathe are to make candlesticks and table legs. Less common uses of the lathe are to make bowls, plates, and vases. In this instructional video, we will learn about the parts of the lathe and how to safely use the lathe without injury. First, we will start with the key parts of the lathe. The headstock and the tailstock are where you will fasten your material. The tool rest is where you will place your tool while carving away at the material. The speed control placed to the left of the machine will control the speed of rotation, and the guard above can be folded down to protect your eyes while working. Lastly, the on and off buttons to the left of the machine. Lathe Safety. We will now go through how to safely use the lathe and its specific safety requirements. Fasten your material tightly between the headstock and the tool stock. Make sure that the material is center and the machine is off while you are doing this. There are additional controls on the tailstock that will help you tighten your material firmly. Position the guard 1/4 of an inch away from the material and make sure that the material can rotate clearly and not hit the guard. Also, make sure not to touch the wood while it's spinning with your hand. Remove the tool rest when sanding, and sand on the bottom of the wood, not the top. Fold the guard down while using the lathe to protect your eyes from wood chips and sawdust. Use a freshly sharpened tool while using the lathe and don't dig into the material too hard. Remember never to turn free-handed. Lastly, here's some general safety that applies to the lathe and every machine in the shop. Wear closed-toed shoes with no loose laces. Always wear eye protection, pay complete attention, and no loose hanging clothing or jewelry. Now that we know that, it is on to the live demonstration.